Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to download, preload or install Battlefield 6 Open Beta on Xbox Series X or S. So here follow the steps. Step 1. From your home screen on your Xbox Series X or S, click on Browse the Store. Step 2. Then click on Search option and type Battlefield 6 to search it. Step 3. In the search result, you will see the Battlefield 6 Open Beta for free. So select that option. Step 4. Then click on Get Free button. As you can see, Battlefield 6 Open Beta optimized for Xbox Series X and S. Play the Open Beta August 9 to 10 and August 14 to 17. So click on Get Free button and then you will see the success screen. Then click on Got It button and then you can say that the game is installing on your Xbox Series X or S. So by this way you can preload, download or install Battlefield 6 Open Beta on your Xbox Series X or S. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel and share this video. Thank you.